Alam mo yung nakakatawa? Kapag wala ka pang pera, ang pangarap mo minsan simple lang. Gusto mo lang magmukhang mayaman. Yung tipong pagpasok mo sa mall, kahit wala kang bibilhin, gusto mo may aura ka na. Excuse me, I have money. Pero habang tumatanda ka at habang natututo ka sa pera, marirealize mo na ang tunay na mayaman pala, hindi laging maingay. Hindi laging naka-designer. Hindi laging naka-post sa Instagram na soft life. Minsan, naka-plain shirt lang, tahimik lang, pero ang bank account may laman. Ikaw naman nakaporma, pero yung GCash mo nagpaalam na. So today, pag-usapan natin ang 15 things rich people stopped caring about. And hindi ito para manghusga. Para ito sa atin na gusto ng yumaman, hindi lang sa wallet, kundi pati sa mindset. Number 1, they stop caring about branded things just to impress people. Alam mo yung iba, kailangan kita agad yung logo. Kung bag, dapat kita mula EDSA hanggang NLEX. Kung belt, dapat yung buckle parang traffic sign. Pero rich people eventually realize, hindi kailangan isigaw na mahal ang suot mo. Kasi minsan, yung sobrang laki ng logo, hindi flex. Parang announcement lang siya na, guys, please notice me. Ang tunay na mayaman, quality ang tinitingnan. Matibay ba? Comfortable ba? Magagamit ba ng matagal? Hindi yung bumili ka ng branded na sapatos, tapos ayaw mong suotin. Kasi baka madumihan. So ano yun? Sapatos o museum piece? Number 2, they stopped caring about being liked by everyone. Ito ang mahirap tanggapin, besh. Kahit gaano ka kabait, may maiinis pa rin sa'yo. Kahit tumulong ka, may sasabihin. Kahit nanahimik ka, may masasabi pa rin. Sa Pilipinas, kahit paghinga mo minsan may comment, uy, bakit ang tahimik mo? Pag nagsalita ka naman, uy, ang daldal mo. Saan tayo lulugar? Sa cabinet? Rich people stop trying to please everyone because they know it's impossible. Hindi ka Jollibee Chicken Joy para magustuhan ng buong bayan. And even Chicken Joy, may nagsasabi pa rin na maliit na raw. Number 3, they stop caring about chismis. Chismis is fun, aminin natin. Minsan, mas updated pa tayo sa buhay ng kapitbahay kaysa sa sarili nating bills. Sino kasama ni ganito? Bakit nag-break sila? Bakit may cryptic post? Bakit naka-Europe may utang? Pero rich people know that chismis is expensive. Hindi dahil may bayad, kundi dahil kumakain siya ng oras, energy at brain cells. Habang ikaw nag-iimbestiga kung sino ang kadate ni Karen, si Karen naka-invest na pala sa mutual fund. Ikaw may conclusion. Siya may compounding interest. Number 4, they stop caring about looking busy. Marami sa atin proud na proud kapag busy. Grabe, 2 hours lang tulog ko. Back-to-back meetings ako. Hindi pa ako kumakain. Tapos, mukha ka ng charger na laging low battery. Rich people don't worship busyness. They care about output. Kasi pwede kang buong araw pagod, pero wala ka namang natapos. Parang nag-general cleaning ka, pero nilipat mo lang yung kalat from bed to chair. Hindi productivity yun. Relocation yun. Number 5, they stopped caring about super cheap things na madaling masira. Filipinos love mura. Uy, 50 pesos lang. Tapos after 2 days, sira na. Bumili ka ng charger na mura, ayaw gumana. Bumili ka ulit, nasira ulit. Sa huli, mas mahal pa kaysa bumili ka ng maayos from the start. Rich people know that cheap can be expensive. Hindi ibig sabihin bawal magtipid. Ang ibig sabihin, dapat marunong kang tumingin ng value. Minsan yung mura lang, may kasamang stress, iyak, at return policy na hindi mo na mahanap. Number 6, they stop caring about proving they are rich. Ito yung biggest difference. Yung insecure, kailangang laging may proof. Picture ng steak, picture ng hotel lobby, picture ng passport, picture ng boarding pass, pero tinakpan yung seat number kasi economy, walang problema mag-post. Buhay mo yan. Pero rich people don't feel the need to prove every single thing. Kasi kapag secure ka na, hindi mo kailangan ng audience every time may blessing ka. Minsan, the richest people are the quietest. Kasi hindi sila nagpapayaman para may mainggit. Nagpapayaman sila para may peace. Number 7, They stop caring about other people's timelines. Ito ang sakit ng social media. May kakilala kang bumili na ng bahay. May kaklase kang promoted na. May pinsan kang nagpakasal na. May batchmate kang nasa Canada na. Tapos ikaw, nasa Shopee checkout pa rin, nag-iisip kung deserve mo ba yung storage box. Rich people stopped comparing timelines. Kasi alam nila, hindi sabay-sabay ang buhay. May nauuna, may nahuhuli, may naliligaw muna sa wrong relationship. Okay lang. Ang importante, umuusad ka. Hindi mo kailangang mauna sa lahat. Hindi ito pila sa cashier na pag naunahan ka, talo ka na. Number 8. They stop caring about saving tiny amounts if it wastes too much time. Alam natin ito. May sale sa kabilang mall. Makakatipid ka raw ng 50 pesos. So bumiyahe ka ng 1 hour, nagbayad ng parking, bumili ng milk tea, napagod, na-stress sa traffic. Congratulations! Nakatipid ka ng 50 pesos, pero gumastos ka ng 500. Rich people still like discounts. Hindi naman sila allergic sa sale, pero they know time is money. Hindi lahat ng tipid, smart. Minsan yung sobrang pagtitipid, napapamahal ka emotionally. Lalo na pagkasama mo pa yung asawa mong nagsasabing, sabi ko sa'yo, online na lang tayo bumili. Number 9. They stopped caring about revenge. Sa simula, nakaka-motivate talaga yung, I'll prove them wrong. Yung ex mong hindi naniwala sa'yo. Yung tita mong laging may side comment. Yung office mate mong feeling siya ang bida sa teleserye. Pero rich people eventually realize, revenge is still giving that person free rent in your head. Imagine, nagtratrabaho ka hard para lang mainggit si Marites. Si Marites busy rin. May bagong chismis na siyang sinusundan. Hindi ka na niya iniisip. Ikaw lang yung pagod. So instead of revenge, they choose peace. Success is sweeter when it's for you, not for someone else's reaction. Number 10. They stopped caring about having too many friends. Nung bata tayo, ang cool pag marami kang barkada. Maraming group chat, maraming invite, maraming birthday dinner, maraming ambagan, maraming drama. Adulting teaches you that not everyone deserves access to your life. Rich people value quality over quantity. Mas okay ang 3 totoong kaibigan kaysa 30 people na biglang nawawala kapag ikaw na ang may problema. At lalo na yung friends na laging, libre mo naman, mayaman ka naman. Aba, teka lang. Hindi ako naging successful para maging walking ATM. Number 11. They stopped caring about trends. Every week may bagong uso. New phone, new shoes, new tumbler, new skincare, new coffee shop, new aesthetic. Dati clean girl, tapos old money, tapos mob wife, tapos quiet luxury. Ako nga minsan confused na. Ano ba ako today? Tita core, pagod core, bayarin aesthetic? Rich people don't chase every trend. They buy what fits their life. Kasi trends are designed to make you feel kulang ka. Pero hindi lahat ng uso kailangan mong habulin. Minsan yung trend, pang content lang, hindi pang budget. Number 12. They stopped caring about strangers' opinions. Ito ang freedom. Yung hindi ka na bothered kung ano sasabihin ng hindi mo naman kilala. Kasi online, lahat may opinion. Pag simple ka, kuripot. Pag gumastos ka, mayabang. Pag nag-ipon ka, boring. Pag nag-enjoy ka, waldas. So ano ba talaga internet? Rich people know that strangers don't pay your bills, so they don't get voting rights in your life. Hindi mo kailangan i-explain lahat. Hindi ka press conference. Number 13. They stop caring about doing everything themselves. May mga tao proud na sila lahat gumagawa. Ako naglilinis, ako naglalaba, ako nag-aayos, ako nag-i-edit, ako nagda-drive, ako nag-o-overthink. Lahat na lang ikaw. Rich people understand delegation. Hindi ibig sabihin tamad sila. Ibig sabihin, alam nila kung saan dapat mapunta ang energy nila. Kung may ibang mas mabilis, mas magaling, at kaya mong bayaran, okay lang humingi ng tulong. Minsan, hindi luho ang convenience. Minsan, investment siya sa sanity mo. Lalo na kung yung task ay mag-a-assemble ng cabinet. Iba yung stress doon, nakakasira ng relasyon. Number 14. They stopped caring about upgrading everything just because income increased. Ito ang trap. Tumaas sweldo mo, tumaas din gastos mo. Dati karinderya, ngayon restaurant. Dati regular coffee, ngayon may oat milk, extra shot, with emotional support pastry. Dati okay na phone mo, ngayon kailangan latest. Dati masaya ka sa bahay, ngayon kailangan may staycation because I deserve this. Okay lang mag-enjoy, deserve mo naman talaga. Pero rich people don't let every income increase become lifestyle inflation. They invest first. They save first. They build first. Then they enjoy. Kasi kung lahat ng dagdag kita, diretso gastos, parang nag-feel ka ng timba na may butas. Pagtingin mo, pagod ka na, wala pa ring laman. Number 15. They stopped caring about being the richest person in the room. Ito ang pinaka-importante. Some people want to feel superior. Gusto nila sila ang pinakamatalino. Sila ang pinakamayaman. Sila ang laging tama. Pero real rich people are comfortable learning. Hindi sila takot mapalibutan ng mas magaling sa kanila. Kasi alam nila, doon sila lalago. Kung ikaw ang laging pinakamagaling sa room, baka nasa wrong room ka. Or baka family reunion lang yun, at ikaw lang ang may PowerPoint. The richest mindset is humble enough to listen and smart enough to learn. So ano ang lesson? Rich people stop caring about things that don't really matter. Hindi na sila masyadong bothered sa logo, sa chismis, sa opinion ng strangers, sa pressure ng timeline, sa need magpa-impress. Kasi eventually, you realize, ang totoong yaman pala is not just money. It's peace, it's time, it's health, it's freedom, it's waking up without pretending. It's buying what you need, enjoying what you love, and not explaining your life to people who are not even helping you pay Meralco. So next time ma-pressure ka mag-post, bumili, makipag-compete, or magpanggap na okay ka, ask yourself, para kanino ba ito? For me? Or para lang may masabi ang ibang tao? Because the richer your mindset gets, the less you care about applause, and the more you care about peace. And kung nagustuhan mo itong video, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe to Low-Key Wealth PH. Because remember, low-key is the new wealthy.